In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pre-order on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar. Now, click the New Product button at the top right corner and choose the type of product you want to create, such as a digital product, ebook, or course. After that, enter your product name and choose your preferred currency and price. Then click Next and continue to customize the product page. Inside the product editor, add your product description and clearly mention that the item is a pre-order. You should also explain when the final product will be delivered to customers and include any important pre-order details. Next, upload a cover image or thumbnail for the product so buyers can preview what they are purchasing. You can upload an image from your computer or use an external image link depending on your setup. Now scroll down to the pricing section. Here you can set a fixed price or enable the option called Allow customers to pay what they want if you prefer flexible pricing. Keep in mind that Gumroad usually charges customers immediately when they place the pre-order, unless you use external tools or custom workflows. It is also a good idea to mention any pre-order bonuses or early access rewards inside the product description to build trust and reduce refund requests. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue at the top right corner of the page. Finally, click Publish to make your pre-order live. And that's how to create a pre-order on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.